Well, it's Tuesday morning and some new parcels have arrived in my workshop. What could this be? The parcel is big and very heavy, and I wonder if it could be that thing I just ordered, the mobile gantry. It's heavy enough to be a mobile gantry, about the right size, so I guess I'll have to unpack it. So we'll come back when it's unpacked. Well, here we are, the box is open and there's all sorts of parts, big heavy parts, a bit of a Meccano set, and I reckon I should be able to get it back together. The big orange part is the top of the gantry, and I think I will be able to lift that, but let's see how it all goes together. Well, here we are. I've got the two bases assembled. That wasn't too hard. Next thing is to put the sides on.
Hey, my mobile gantry came in.
Yes, hi there again. Yesterday I received a package which was a mobile gantry, which will be pretty much ideal for doing the work on the shaper, pulling the ram off and extracting the swinging arm. The mobile gantry is almost too big for my new workshop, and to make it fit and get it all together, we took the feet off, which saved us about 150 mils, which was really great because now we can get the work done which is needed, and perhaps more restoration work on other machines. Back again. So we've got the mobile gantry all set up, and we've got the block and tackle, and it's all ready to be lifting the parts out of the metal shaper and to start working on actually fixing what's wrong with the metal shaper. In earlier videos I spoke about a broken length of stroke adjust shaft, and I think the break has occurred quite close to the helical gear, which or the bevel gear that moves the length of stroke back and forwards. So there's going to be a bit of work in fixing it, but I think most of the work is just in taking the heavy parts out to get access to what we need to do. So that's it for now, and my next video will be starting to go into actually taking the shaper apart so we can do the repairs. So see you next time.